Hi friends, in this video I want to share the super snack for kids, not only for kids, for all ages, that is sesame balls. Let's see how to make the sesame balls. I'm using white sesame seeds for this recipe. First step is roasting the sesame seeds. Especially sesame seeds needs constant and continuous roasting process because of its tiny size may get burns at the bottom, so keep roasting until it turns golden brown. For this sesame balls or laddu, you can use either white seeds or black seeds. Both taste will good. Keep roasting the sesame seeds. This is slowly turning into golden brown. At the same time, you can notice that the sesame seeds pops. If it is popping, this means it's time to switch off the flame. Transfer the sesame seeds into a plate and allow this to cool until it reaches the room temperature. After it cools to room temperature, grind it coarsely using a mixie like this. Then add jaggery. You should add jaggery to the same amount as you have taken sesame seeds. For example, if you are taking 1 cup sesame seeds, then add 1 cup jaggery. After adding jaggery, blend both the items together for a minute. Then you will get like this. That's all. After blending, the work is done. Then transfer into a bowl. The final step is making balls. Take sufficient amount of powder and press like this, then you will get the proper round shape. That's all. The sesame balls or sesame laddu is ready to eat. I hope you all like this video. Make a practice of this to give such a healthy snacks to your family. I hope you find this video useful. For more useful videos, support my channel by subscribing. Thank you for watching my channel.